how to answer or decline incoming calls with a single tap on the Samsung phone running One UI 7 update. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. From here, tap on answering and ending calls. Next, we tap on gesture to answer calls. From here, from the pop-up, simply select tap instead of choosing swipe. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now, when you receive an incoming call, you can simply just tap on it to answer the call or decline the call. And that's it. Make sure you update your phone to One UI 7 for this to work. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.